If you are a drummer who's a gigging drummer, a professional musician, or just a regular church drummer, and you always feel like you're missing something, this video is for you. These are the top items that I'm bringing with me in 2026. Now, these items help me have smoother gigs, help me with my setup better, and honestly, they're just great products that you should have as a drummer because it's stuff that actually works. So number one is a Groove Gear Decade bag. The reason this bag is so good is because it has so much space, it has so many compartments. It's such a great quality bag. I fit everything in here. My cameras, my stick bag, my tuners, my snare weights. I mean, you name it and it's in here. And it's great quality. It's waterproof. It's travel friendly. You can take it anywhere with you. You should 100% consider getting this bag. Honestly, anything Groove Gear, you should consider getting it. As a drummer, it is the ultimate drumming bag equipment that you may ever need as a drummer. My number two product that I'm gonna take with me in 2026 is my Insta360 X4. This camera is amazing, and I use it to record all of my drum videos when I go to church, when I go to gigs, because it records at 8K at 30 frames per second, which is amazing. And not only that, it records in 360, so I can literally record the whole room while I'm playing and not have to worry about angles. You can literally adjust this camera and all of the videos to whatever format you need it. You need vertical or horizontal, you can do it with this camera. It's super easy and it's a must-have, and it's fairly cheap considering how much cameras are nowadays. My number three item is a Marino custom vlog cable. I've had this cable for years and look how new it looks still. It's a great quality cable. It has different inputs and everything. And basically what this helps me to do is hook this up to my in-ear mix, and then I can hook this up to my camera, like my Insta360 X4, and then I have a splitter that lets me listen to the audio, and I can record directly into the video. So that way I can just cut, post, and keep going on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. It's an amazing product. I love this cable. I never leave my house without this cable because sometimes the cables that are provided at gigs and venues are just not long enough. This cable is pretty long in itself, and it's really high quality and durable. Now, if you're interested in any of these products, I am posting a link down below in the description to all of these products. You can find them on Amazon or on their website. I do want to let you know that I do have some affiliation to some of these companies. So if you're interested in buying some of these, you can just click on the link down below and know that I will be receiving a small commission if you buy through that link. All right, next up we have the TuneBot. Now, a lot of people don't know how to use this thing, but this is clutch, okay? This TuneBot is amazing. This basically just hooks up to the rim of your drum, you turn it on, and it gives you the hertz and the decibel levels on where that note or pitch is. So all you have to do is tune to the desired pitch that you want, and this thing helps you. It is the greatest drumming tool that you can have in your bag. I absolutely love it. I never leave my house without it because sometimes you find yourself in a pinch, and this clutch. Item number 5 is a snare weight. This thing is amazing. Now, this is the M80 snare weight. This goes on the rim of your snare drum, and it just dampens it. It's a great quality product. This thing is heavy. Look at it. This thing is heavy. It's not cheap. It is a really good quality product, and it has helped me shape the tone of my snare incredibly. Now, there are other items that go on different toms and stuff like that. You can get those too as well from their website or in the link down below. But the snare weight is a must-have because sometimes the drum kit just doesn't sound good where you're going. You clamp those things on, you put it on, they dampen them. You have different settings to dampen them on. It sounds really good when you do, and you just clip it off. You're ready to go to your next gig or just go home, and you're good to go. Definitely a must-have. Now, this company as of recent has been partnering up with me, and it has been a huge blessing to be able to work with them, and that is the Moon Gel. And with that being said, one of the products that you absolutely have to have in your backpack or in your 2026 is the Moon Gel double-sided pad. This thing is a true workout. I have never had a better practice pad than this one, and I've had a lot of them. This side right here is a Moon Gel pad. It is a workout. If you don't get warmed up with this, you're doing something wrong. This thing has 0 rebound, so it forces you to actually work your muscles in the correct way, and it helps you. When I tell you it helps you get warmed up faster. And then this other side is a dual pad, so this is what's so cool. This is the gel side, and this is the rubber side. This one helps you with the rebound control because it is really rubbery, and it has a control center that helps you practice precision. I don't leave my house without this. Every gig that I go, I'm warming up on this thing, and it has been a huge blessing. Thank you so much to Moon Gel for partnering up with me this year. It's been great, and honestly, click the link down below and get yourself one of these. A must-have. All right, item number 6 is your in-ear monitors. If you are a gigging musician, you should have your own custom in-ear monitors, because number 1, they're custom. They're designed to fit for you. They are the greatest quality headphones that you could ever have as a serious musician and drummer, and it's cheap. The Alclair audios, they're cheap. They're inexpensive compared to the other ones that cost thousands of dollars. I love my in-ears. These are 3 drivers. They're super simple. I just got them in black because I just like black and gold. That's just great quality headphones, great audio, noise cancellation. It's amazing. I mean, these headphones are amazing. I will be posting a link down below for these specific headphones if you're interested in them, and you can purchase them through the website. And last but not least, Tonewings. These are genius. I mean, the founder and creator of this really thought this through. So what this is basically a tuning system that goes inside of your snare drum, your toms, or anything. And what you do is you remove one of the lugs, and then you tighten it, and you put it on the side of the lug, and then you basically put it back. And it creates space, it creates tone control and quality because these are brass. It's really good. It's a must-have. My snare drum sounds amazing. The combination of this with my Snareweight is absolutely insane. This is the best thing that came out of 2026 for me in the books in terms of tuning, because it's installed, it's in there. You don't have to do anything else. Once you put it in there, just tune it however you want it, and it just changes your whole snare sound, your whole tom sound, your whole drum kit sound, honestly, into a pure, brighter, beautiful color tone of drums. So really consider adding Tonewings to your arsenal. I guarantee you that your recording engineer and or your FOH will appreciate it. So none of these items make you a better drummer. They just remove friction, and they help you plan smarter, be more efficient in your playing, and honestly just makes your life easier. So if you're interested in any of those items, I did link them on below. I did put in my affiliate link if you're interested in buying them through Amazon or something. So just remember that every little click that you do and every little purchase that you may make through those links, I receive a very small commission that helps this channel out. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what are your items for 2026 that you cannot live without, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.